Good morning everyone. It is 4:23 in the morning and it is a Thursday morning today. We are very low on sleep. बस 3 ही घंटे की नींद मिली क्योंकि घर का शिफ्टिंग चल रहा था तो बहुत रात हो गई उसमें. But anyway, we had to go for a ride and this is going to be a short vlog. We are going to a waterfall. I will reveal the location at a later stage in the video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be vlogging this entire thing like a mini vlog on this GoPro Hero 10.
Everybody knows GoPro is not that great in low light, but ऐसा बोलते हैं कि GoPro 10 में काफ़ी improvements किया है, but I don't know how far that is true. So right now I'm just taking this as a trial vlog. I don't know how the audio and everything is going to be turning out. I was using this mic, which is a lapel mic from Sony, on my cycle, and it turned out to be great audio. So I'm expecting the same here as well. Anyway, it's too dark. I'll see you after the light comes up and after the sun is rising in all its glory. So that is Ganesh bhai. This is Shakib bhai. Shakib bhai के पास 77765S है, but because of some reason he could not get it out. I think it's out for service. And उन्होंने अपने फ्रेंड का क्लासिक 350 लिया. मुझे पता नहीं यार लोग रॉयल एनफील्ड को ट्रस्ट कैसे करते. बाइक बंद हो गया, बीच में हम लोग पेट्रोल पंप तक टो करते जा रहे. So I'm on my way to DABHOSA waterfall. पालघर जाते समय जो भगत ताराचंद आता है, आई थिंक सो एक ही आता है, वहाँ से आपको राइड लेना है एंड देन यू विल कम अक्रॉस दिस ब्यूटीफुल पीस ऑफ टारमैक एंड इट इज़ अ लवली रोड. मतलब यूजुअली क्या होता है, हाईवे छोड़ के जो बाकी के रोड्स होते हैं वो बहुत मतलब अच्छे नहीं होते, यू नो, बिकॉज दोज आर विलेजेस एंड पीपल डोंट रियली केयर अबाउट मेंटेनिंग दोज रोड्स. बट दैट्स नॉट द केस विद दिस वन. इट्स एन एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग रोड, totally flat, absolutely I mean, what do I tell you, it's a wonderful experience to ride a bike on this road or even a car, whatever sails your boat. तो यहाँ से मैप्स में मुझे अभी बोल रहा है 48 kilometers from where I am currently, but I think if I take from the start of the road, it's around 58 kilometers. I've already covered 10 kilometers, so it's going to take me 1 hour at this speed. I'm not rushing, I'm not gunning too much. What I'll do is, this is the exact scenery that you get, and I'll keep showing you as and when I find something useful. Otherwise, we'll directly see you at the place. जो भी अभी तक का बाइक का फुटेज था, दैट वाज शॉर्ट. आई मीन उसका ऑडियो जो था ये सोनी के लेवलियर माइक्रोफोन से आया था. नाउ आई विल बी totally transitioning to this shorty and the media mod and use the media mod mic and see how it sounds. Anyway, we have reached. I'll just give you an aerial view of the waterfall. That right there is the waterfall. वहाँ पे हम लोग को नीचे जाना है, बट हम लोग कुछ खाने का लेके नहीं आए, तो हम लोग अभी खाना लेने जा रहे हैं and then we'll go down, spend some time. I'll show you the place around and then we'll wrap it up. This is the part जो काफ़ी लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, but to reach a beautiful destination, a glimpse of which is there, you have to go through some difficulties and usually the roads are very bad, but at least यहाँ पे वो problem तो नहीं था. The roads were pretty, not even pretty, decent. It was incredible throughout till the end point.
बहुत सारे पत्थर रहते हैं, ample of rocks, so you can find a pretty decent place to keep your luggage. That's where we'll be camping. This is where you should come, go dive in the water and have fun. That's all you have to see in this place.
Oh.
If you are coming here, please carry some food because थोड़ा दूर है गाँव वगैरह जहाँ पे लेना है आपको खाना या पानी. At least carry water if you're not too hungry, but you can just carry a little bit of biscuits and all, but make sure that you do not litter.
चलो चालू है.
स्पीड में मार, एक टप्पे पे गिरा नहीं तो फिर पार ही हो जाएगा सीधा. स्पीड किधर था बच्ची? हम लोग गया